Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shruti. What is my channel called again? Hi guys, welcome back to another episode on FunFetti Journals. I'm Shruti, and today we're gonna do a little makeup chit chat. And today I wanted to actually show you what I got on my Ipsy August Glam bag. So I've been a subscriber with Ipsy for about 2 years now, and I've loved almost everything that they've sent me. For those of you who don't know, Ipsy is actually a subscription makeup kit, and they'll send you 5 products a month for $10 each, meaning the bag is $10, not each product. So the bag that you get is $10, and you can go on their website and pick your preferences, and they'll sort of customize your bag based on those preferences and your skin type and sort of what kind of products you're comfortable using and those kind of things. So it's a great variety of things that you get. I've had to go in and customize my things every now and then, just because sometimes they'll send me like some kind of serum that I'm not really digging or something like that. So I'm actually a really big fan of their cosmetics that they send. It allows me to try new brands and new things that I might never consider. So it challenges me to kind of think outside of the box in terms of my makeup usage. But yeah, I just thought it'd be fun to do this together. I cannot talk today. Just a disclaimer, Ipsy has no idea I'm doing these videos. They don't know I exist, so they're not paying me to do these. But I just thought it'd be fun to show you what I get each month with my Ipsy. And the fun thing about this Ipsy bag is I actually got this one about a week ago, but I didn't have really a chance to film, so I kind of wanted to do this with you guys and show you what I got. So we're kind of unboxing it or unzipping it together. So let's start off with the bag actually. So the bag is actually a really simple orange color, which I really like. It's got like yellow tracing along the ends and a nice cute little yellow tassel. So it's really bright, it's really fun for summer, it's really simple. And at the bottom it just says Ipsy, but I think it's really fun. It's a really soft material too, so it's great for like, I guess your summer bag, beach bag sort of carry, if you carry like sunscreen, cosmetics, that sort of thing. So usually what Ipsy does is they'll send you a little card which has some information on the back. And a lot of times the other side will just probably either have like a picture of some of their Ipsters or whatever, but then some of them, which I really like, will also have like a little note of positivity. So this one says, confidence level, selfie with no filter. I really like this. I'm actually gonna probably put it up on my positivity board, and it'll just help me, stay positive and remind me that every day I'm beautiful, and you guys are too. So the first product that I'm actually gonna open is called the Glow 2 highlighter. It's by Ciate. It's a highlighter, so I don't really use highlighters on my cheeks. I actually use them either as an eyeshadow to brighten the eyes or as a brow bone highlighter. So let's open the color. Oh, it's a really nice, like, very neutral, very pale color. It's got a little hint of gold shimmer in it, so that's really gonna be exciting, especially for the eyes, like I mentioned before. But yeah, I think it's gonna be like a pale pink and sort of golden hint to it, so I really like it. And then the next thing I got was the Trust Fund Beauty Lipgasm Lip Gloss. I really like their lip products. They do really well. So let's open up and see what color we got. It's a really nice deep red color. I really like it. It's really, really pretty. I think I'll probably save this for fall or winter, which is coming up pretty soon as we're transcending into the fall months. But I really like this color. It's a deep red, but we'll probably save it for fall and winter. And another thing I got was a Hikari cream pigment, which is really pretty. I really like Hikari cream pigments. They're actually really pigmented in color, and they kind of go on really smoothly, and a little bit goes a long way. So it is a cream pigment after all. Oh man, it broke. That's really frustrating. I hate when it breaks, but it's a nice burgundy color. I probably won't use it now that it's broken, or unless I can probably fix it, which I know there's plenty of YouTube videos that show you how to fix it. Probably do that, but I also have plenty of these colors, so I might not keep it. But I hate when it breaks, so Ipsy, please don't make it break. That's really frustrating. And another thing that I got is an Adesi nail polish. I think the color is Parasol. I really like Adesi nail polishes. They kind of stay on for a long time. They don't chip very easily, and their colors are usually pretty fun that they send. Oh, it's a really nice, like, orangish red sort of color. Again, probably really good as we move into fall and winter. But it's a really nice color for also summer, like for your toes and stuff. I really think this is a pretty color, so I'm excited to try this one actually out. Last thing that I got was, it's not that exciting. It's a lip balm, and it says Glow Lip Balm, and it says Lip Love Flirt, which I really, really like. It has like a nice, really cute pink tint to it, so it might actually have a pink tint. If it doesn't, I'll probably save it for my nighttime routine or my daily carry for moisturizer and stuff like that. But I think it's really good that they keep your skincare in mind too, so that's really fun. So in general, I'm really happy with the products that I got, except for that one broken eyeshadow, so either I need to fix it or whatever, like I mentioned. But other than that, I really hope you enjoy this video. But if you want to subscribe to Ipsy, I'll put the link down below. They do have kind of a weird subscription list that's kind of easy to get off of. And yeah, you can let me know how you like it if you do decide to try it. And other Ipsters out there, please let me know what you got. We can sort of compare notes and see what we like and what we didn't. Oh, also, I really want you guys to remember to stay kind, stay tough, stay happy, and just be good human beings. And I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for joining me on FunFetti Journals, guys. Bye.